Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic. The quiz contains the basic notation plus multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using pandas and what marks method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers: A is 3, B is 7, C is 9, and D is 18. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules: what marks and pandas. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. We can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, or you can say the parenthesis. So here we have 3 multiplied by 1. So first of all, we have to solve this one, 24 divided by multiplied by 4 plus 6 multiplied by 3 and divided by 3 ones are 3. Here we have to write 3 and here we have to give the reference 1 multiplied by 3 equals to 3. Now move forward. Step number 1 we have solved. Now we have to see the exponent part or order of operation. So now we have to see like which a number has the power. But in our expression, we do not have any number which has the power. So we can skip this step. Now move forward for division, or you can say the multiplication. Actually, both has similar precedence. So you can solve any of them which is coming. Either you are using the BODMAS or either you are using the PAMDAS. The rule is saying for you have to go for left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 24 divided by 8, which is equal to 3 multiplied by 4, and plus 6 multiplied by 3 and divided by 3. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 24 divided by 8 equals to 3. Now move forward. We have to go left to right again and find out which is coming. Now we have 3 multiplied by 4, which is equals to 12 plus 6 multiplied by 3 and divided by 3. We have to write as it is. And here we have to give the reference 3 multiplied by 4 equals to 12. Now move forward. We have to go again left to right and find out which is coming. So now we have 12 plus 6 divided by 3. We will write 18 and divided by 3. We have to write as it is. Here we have to give the reference 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18. Now we have one more division sign. So we have to follow same step. Like we will have to go left to right and find out what is coming first. Now we have 18 divided by 3, which is equal to 6. And here we have to give again reference 6. Now we have two terms which are adding each other. In the last, we have to solve the addition and subtraction. So now we have only the addition sign. We have to follow this one and find out which is. So the answer of this given expression is AB. Now, if you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others. They can learn this type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in the class. Bye bye. Allah.